This morning, France's President Macron self-isolating for 7 days, but still running the country, officials say. In recent days, seen wearing a mask, but close to other European leaders. In Paris, Christmas lights and a nightly curfew. Europeans fearing the holiday season could cause a third wave. Europe has now seen more than 15 million infections and over 375,000 deaths. Empty streets in place of Christmas markets in Germany this week. Its latest lockdown hitting the holidays. Millions worrying over whether to see loved ones. The World Health Organization even urging families, if they must gather inside, to wear masks and not to hug.
It's a horrible thing to think that we would be here as the World Health Organization saying to people, don't hug each other. It's terrible.
Southeast England and London, home to more than 10 million people, now under the toughest restrictions. Pubs and restaurants closed at what would be their busiest time. UK leaders searching for the right message.
A smaller Christmas is going to be a safer Christmas, and a shorter Christmas is a safer Christmas.
But the government criticised for confusing rules and guidance. Christmas shopping is still allowed. While across Europe, there are many varied plans for Christmas and New Year's Eve. In Germany, 4 close family members from other households are allowed. In the Netherlands, the limit is 3 adults. Britain and Ireland's limit is 3 households. Hungary says no New Year's Eve celebrations, but Spain and Portugal are relaxing the rules. Portugal says it will not limit the size of Christmas gatherings. A curfew in Italy means midnight mass is banned. Even the Pope will hold his traditional Christmas Eve service earlier. May this difficulty, he urged Catholics, help us purify a little the way of living Christmas. But the holidays will be hard on millions of livelihoods. We want spectators, these French hospitality workers say. But now the virus hitting the heart of France's government, one of America's closest allies. And that Macron news potentially impacting Europe hard, Hoda. Just listen to this. He recently met with the European Commission President, the Prime Ministers of Sweden, Portugal, Hungary, Poland and Spain. The Spanish Prime Minister already saying he will quarantine, Hoda.
Wow, a lot of contact tracing there. So the UK has approved the vaccine, the US has approved the vaccine, but the EU not yet. What's the timetable?
Yeah, Europeans are asking themselves that same question. The body that decides this has moved its meeting up to next Monday, Hoda, under pressure from the Germans. The Europeans want to get going before Christmas, but they want every country to start vaccinating at the same time. Meanwhile, here in the UK, 130,000 people have been vaccinated in the first week, but there are now stumbles, there are now issues. I think it's a lesson for the US that this may be a bumpy road. And another crucial point, Hoda, we've made it many times. Unless there are vaccinations around the world, we won't defeat the coronavirus. Hoda?
Yeah. All right. Keir Simmons for us in London. Keir, thank you.